Oh, happy Halloween, Samain, Day of the Dead. This is from the Durga Festival a couple weeks ago. Um, I have a lot of content or some content up on that already from the Cozy Fall tag. You can see a couple shorts there with the Brahmin with the sword through his cheeks and some of the more grimacing Durga faces in the different altars that can give you a little Halloween vibe. Here I'm going to show you just a couple minutes of music from the festival, for the Navrighty Festival, which is a little bit of fun background to this trick or treat tag by Heather Reeds. Thank you for the tag. So in this one, I'm going to give you 5 tricks and 5 treats, 5 works that I love, 5 works that I love less. They're all from my mother's bathroom shelf of New Age reads, which I did a video on in the past if you're interested in learning more about any of these reads. And I'm not going to tell you which are the tricks and which are the treats. So I'm going to let you have fun guessing which ones I like and which ones not as much. And after a week or so, if you're guessing in the comment section, I will reveal the which is which in the show notes below. Let's get started with some video. First book is Black Elk Speaks. Black Elk Speaks. Is it a trick or is it a treat? We have Zen Flesh, Zen Bones. Ooh, Zen Flesh, Zen Bones. We also have The Alchemist. The Alchemist. Coelho's Alchemist. Sophie's World. Sophie's World. Don Juan Yaqui Way of Knowledge. Castañeda's work. What about Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance? How do I feel about the Celestine Prophecies? Is this trick or is it treat? What about the Way of the Peaceful Warrior? Next we have Gurdjieff, Meeting with Remarkable Men. What have I not done? I think that's all 10. If you hang on for just 30 seconds more or so until the next video, a very short video is going to show you a glimpse of Durga, which I think you're going to enjoy. Oops. There it goes. You had a glimpse of me. How scary was that? There's Durga. You can see a lot more of Durga in the other shorts I uploaded for the last tag I did. There you go, folks. Happy Halloween.